Brad Williams, Frugal Finance. How about, I'm just going to throw this out here. If you need help with your energy bills, there's a lot of resources available via the government. This is the LIHEAP Clearinghouse, Low Income Housing Energy Assistance Program. What do? They will provide, well, let's just take a look here. LIHEAP service, this is what they will provide. Energy bill assistance, weatherization support, crisis assistance, equipment repair and replacement, energy education, and disaster assistance. Again, this is low income. Here we have some videos that are provided by this resource. Again, this is all government related type support for low income. Check it out. See if you qualify and see if there are programs that might help you out. Comment. Let me know if you've used this program in the past, whether they are helpful, whether it's a professionally run organization. Is it a nonprofit group that you're working with? Is it the utilities you're working with? Are you working with a state agency? Let me know. Brad Williams, Frugal Finance. Thanks for watching.